Starting around 07 walk 2024 spell fundamentally token truly is exchanging at $0.13 in term of its ICE rate with a value change of 56% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a truly significant manner. Spell certainly has a complete market cap of $141,822,719 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $47 to $591,296, or so they in a real sense thought. This really makes for the most part spell certainly token spell essentially positioning at 388 in the digital money market, so starting around 07 walk 2024 sort of spell kind of token. Especially as exchanging at $1.13 in term of its ICE rate with a value change of 56% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, or so they thought. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the spell exceptionally token cost expectation end of 2024, what will truly spell token especially be in every practical sense, worth in 2024 in an unpretentious way, is essentially spell certainly token a truly wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is genuinely critical, will sort of spell cost basically outperform its untouched high, or so they in every practical sense thought. These fundamentally are for the most part spell sort of token cost expectations for spell's future, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Spell sort of token spell value expectation 2024 as per the spell fundamentally token estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the spell cost is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of dollars and all, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of. Essentially spell pretty token toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to truly be $1.19, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Besides explicitly spell can especially arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $1.23. So basically spell truly has a truly complete market cap of $141,822,719 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $47,591,296 in an unpretentious manner. Spell genuinely token spell value gauge walk 2024. The spell certainly token spell cost for walk 2024 may for the most part arrive at a very least worth of $1.14, while the greatest estimated cost explicitly is around $1.16, which truly is genuinely critical. The by and large normal cost for most certainly. Spell basically is by and large anticipated to reach $1.16 in walk 2024 in a for the most part huge manner. Spell commonly token spell value expectation April 2024. The cost for in every practical sense, spell fundamentally token in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.16 and $1.17, or so they especially thought. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $1.16 in an extremely significant manner. Spell sort of token value expectation May 2024. The cost of most $0.918 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.917 all through 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell pretty symbolic value expectation June 2024, sort of spell fundamentally token cost really is supposed to reach between $0.916 to $0.918 in June 2024, while the extremely normal cost of explicitly spell for the June buy and large stays around $0.17 spell value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of spell commonly token basically is determined to generally be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.917 in an unpretentious manner. The spell commonly token value worth can for the most part arrive at a by and large limit of $0.919 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.917 in IST. Spell value figure August 2024. With respect to August 2024, explicitly spell especially token essentially is supposed to arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.917, which certainly is very huge. The spell cost could arrive at a really greatest cost of $stools with the extremely normal cost around $1.18, which explicitly is very critical. Spell certainly token spell value figure September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of generally spell extremely token in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to especially arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0.918, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.921 and a genuinely least of $0.917 in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell in every practical sense, token value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the most extreme cost for truly spell especially token could in every way that really matters stretch around $0.2 in a sort of significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of generally spell in October 2024 essentially is $0.18 with a truly normal cost of $0.19, showing how fundamentally spell most certainly has a genuinely complete market cap of $141,822,719 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $47,591,296, which truly is very huge. Spell essentially token value expectation November 2024. By and large, spell certainly token cost certainly is supposed to reach between $0.19 to $0.22 in November 2024, while the exceptionally normal cost of truly spell for the November explicitly remains around $0.19 spell pretty token spell value forecast December 2024. The cost for the most part spell especially token in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1 and $83 in a kind of enormous manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to, for the most part, be around $. Spell genuinely token genuinely past value examination in every practical sense recent hours, the crypto really has been in a real sense diminished by 78% in its truly current worth. Assuming that we by and large look at the really current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap truly is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Spell fundamentally token especially is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which by and large shows that will really spell cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking high, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The spell generally is down to nearly 14% over the most recent 7 days, showing how starting around 07 walk 2024 fundamentally spell truly token by and large is exchanging at $113 in term of its est rate with a value change of 56% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a really significant manner. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for commonly past certainly couple of days. The coin could, all things considered, have most areas of strength for certainly. However, we don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in present moment. So this makes spell really token spell sort of positioning at 388 in the cryptographic money market. So starting around 07 walk 2024 for the most part spell truly token basically is exchanging at $13 in term of its est rate with a value change of 56% in all things considered, most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is very critical. Spell truly token value conjecture 2024 facts what will basically be truly spell essentially token truly worth in 2024 in a really significant manner. The spell cost generally is estimated to in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $0.03 with truly least cost of $0.19 toward the finish of 2024, or so they especially thought. Does truly spell really token for the most part have a future, as opposed to mainstream thinking? With regards to cost, generally spell pretty token basically has an exceptional especially